Alright, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well wherever you happen to be in the world right now. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions that you may have, please feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I'm going to be talking about VeChain again today and the partnership, well, it's sort of roundabout partnership with Amazon, which could be quite exciting for the price and the project going forward. Before I get to that, I'll go over the cryptocurrency market as a whole, because I'm having a pretty good day, to be honest with you. We've got a market cap of $1.2 trillion, which is as high as I can remember being for a while. That's up 1.29% over the last 24 hours. We got a 24-hour trading volume of $40.7 billion, with Bitcoin dominance currently sitting at exactly 50%. So Bitcoin's currently trading at $30,806, which is nice. It's holding that $30,000 level. Ethereum is still trying to creep up to $2,000. XRP is staying in the same sort of place. Cardano is making its way towards 30 cents. So the other day I did mention at 25 cents it was a reasonable buy. I did get in at that price. DCA'd in. I will continue to do so at this price because it's something I believe in. Solana's another one I'm edging into that's worked its way back into the top 10, I believe at the expense of Polygon. But if you look at Bitcoin Cash, that's on an absolute tear up. I really need to do some research into that to see what's going on. Over the last 24 hours, the biggest rises are eCash and there's Bitcoin Cash again, but there's a number of projects that are up 90% on the week, 18% on the day. A lot of gainers this week. Stellar's pushed up 10% today, so there's a lot of projects doing well today. Moving on to VeChain, see how that's performing against the market. It's up 3.71% against the US dollar, currently trading at 0.01974. We've got a circulating supply of 72.4 billion VeChain, which represents 83.86% of the total supply. Where are we ranked? 63rd out of all the cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, so it's working its way towards the top 50. Sentiment wise, just some people talking about they're actually shilling other projects, something called MNW, which I'm not aware of, and people VeChain forms on weekly chart bullish divergence. Let's go and check that out. We'll look at my VeChain chart. This is VeChain on the daily. There was some bullish divergence on the daily some time ago, which has played out. It's pushing up nicely. We've got positive momentum. The MACD line and signal line have both crossed and are heading above zero. We've pushed above the daily 50 and we've broken through resistance at 0.019. Next stop is 0.022. We've got to push through that daily 100, so there could be some resistance there. So where's this bullish divergence he's talking about on the weekly? Come on, computer, don't fail me now. We want to look at the weekly chart. People are waiting. Oh dear. Oh, it's coming in. Come on. There you go. Right, bullish divergence on the weekly. Let's open this a bit. So that low there. Well, yeah, there definitely is. If you look from that low there, back on the 19th of December, MACD line, signal line both down there, and we're up here when we make the lower low, so it's in play. Will it play out? Could potentially take us all the way up to 0.032. That would be my next target on the weekly time frame, but like I always say, I'm in this for the long term, not the short term. How are we looking 4 hourly wise? This is resistance that's being tested, 1, 2, 3, and it's looking like it's going to close above it this time. How much? There's 34 minutes remaining on this candle, so potentially we could close above this 0.019 level, which we haven't done for quite some time. The last time was last Sunday, the 4th of July. So yeah, things are looking slightly better on the charts. Moving on to the article that I mentioned, or alluded to earlier rather, VeChain partners with Amazon to build a green and sustainable future for tech companies. It's a little bit clickbaity because it's not like they're partnering directly with VeChain, but they're partnering with a company called Shanghai Tantalin, which is behind VCarbon, but you'll see that as I go through the article. Amazon is intensifying its efforts into the sustainability niche. It is partnering with several firms it hopes to empower, including VeChain's Shanghai Tantalin. Amazon has listed Shanghai Tantalin Technology Company Limited, the company behind VCarbon, the VeChain Thor public blockchain, and many other firms as partners in its Amazon Cloud Technology Sustainable Development Partner Program, that's a bit of a mouthful, which was released during its recently held summit in Shanghai. Other partners are Deloitte China, Accenture, PwC China, Capgemini China, NTT Data, Boss Cloud, Centrific, Changhong IT, Echo-Rod, InnoBlock, Carbon Trust, TUV Rhineland, Mei Ying. Sorry, these Chinese names are very difficult to pronounce. Jingding, Goldwing. I'm not going to read the rest of them. I'm making a twat out myself, but you can read the article yourself. VeChain Foundation educationalist Eisenreich confirmed the news of the Sustainable Development Partner program launched by Amazon. According to his tweet, the program is focused on building applications and tools to promote the green transformation of enterprises. Right, moving on. There's his tweet there. You can click on that below, and it's well worth following him. He comes up with lots of information. Amazon plans to empower these tech companies through capacity building and strategic collaborations amongst themselves. Specifically, these partners would be provided with industry and trade integration, ODM, OEM, and brand enterprises with full link solutions from overseas route planning and product intelligent upgrades to digital marketing promotion. The focus is to assist them in cross-border business, in building cross-border businesses faster. I'm sort of watching the cricket out of the corner of my eye, so I really should be focused on this. Ultimately, where was I? VeChain technology leads carbon management and sustainability. At the same time, many governments have become keen on carbon management and sustainability to help them control their impact on climate change. This heightened interest has put VeChain at the forefront of the agenda. The V-Carbon protocol is designed in such a way that it reduces carbon footprint through 24 industry greenhouse emission accounting standards and reporting guidelines. Markedly, the protocol has several uses, including formulating carbon emission plan, original data entry and carbon emission monitoring. Some other management functions on the platform are emission result calculation, carbon inventory report calculation, data visualization and analysis. Due to the extensive use cases of the VeChain technology, the platform has recorded hundreds of millions in transactions. Renowned retail store Walmart recently expanded its partnership with VeChain to include more products and categories than before. So this is a roundabout way of saying that VeChain will be sort of getting into bed with VeChain via a partnership they're involved in. So it does bode well for the project, but I'm more interested in what's happening on the chart. We're still pushing up further. We're about to make a higher high. It's almost like this is the third test. Some people like double tops. This is like a triple top, and if we can close above this, and I can see us pushing nicely above and heading towards 0.022, that would be the next area of resistance, because we've got clear above both moving averages, and very little resistance between there and there other than the daily 100. So that's one to keep an eye on for the day. Obviously none of this is financial advice, but as I say, I like to edge into these projects gently. That's not a euphemism, that's me. I like to dollar cost average and build my position. That's my investment strategy, and it's served me well over the years. So apologies, I completely butchered that article because I was keeping one eye on the cricket. England are all out, by the way, if you follow cricket. Anyway, I'll wrap it up for there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video, and any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Once again, thanks for watching, and bye for now.